Dr. Ranganathan, on what we heard from Faizan Kidwai on Savarkar.
No, first of all, I condemn Faizan Bhai is also a brother, but the way he is going personal on Shehzad is completely unacceptable. Faizan Bhai, please don't do that. Number two, yes, it is for me and ordinary Indians who are not hypocrites to say, and I do say, Mr. Joshi got it wrong. He should have apologized after the Supreme Court struck down the Gujarat government's decision, because Supreme Court said Gujarat government was not in a position to make that decision concerning letting off those rapists. So yes, the fact is, Mr. Joshi was wrong. But I am saying this. You cannot say this because you celebrate rapists. You are the one who celebrated terrorists who killed your father. So please, I'm talking about the Congress government that was completely quiet when the terrorist who killed Rajiv Gandhi was publicly felicitated by Stalin. Number three, as far as your fake news of Savarkar is concerned, please, for heaven's sake, Faizan Bhai, do not spread such canards, because your Uddhav Thackeray and Shiv Sena are the ones who revere Savarkar. Read Vikram Sampath's authoritative biography, 2-volume on Savarkar. He has completely exposed the charlatans who have used this as a weapon. This is completely fake news. Read Vikram Sampath.
Even if you don't read the second book, just read the first. You will be fine. Reading, two voluminous books will be difficult, Dr. Ranganathan. So, don't give such a homework that they can't do. Mr. Saravanan, on the felicitation of Rajiv killers, you have a comment, sir?
No. See, this was with regard to Mr. Perarivalan. And Perarivalan, the officer who conducted the investigation, was on record. He filed an affidavit that he deliberately recorded the statement of Perarivalan so that he could be included in the case. That is the reason why parole was granted and that remission was granted. That is the reason. That is the reason why he was.
No, this is not about parole. This is about conviction. These are people who are convicted. So how does the parole change the character of the case?
Pranesh, this affidavit by the investigating officer was filed after conviction.
Yeah, but sir, it does not change the conviction. Mr. Saravanan?
Yes, Pranesh, that's what. Good sense prevailed over that investigating officer after conviction.
Okay, so good sense prevailed on part of the officer, but the court in its wisdom is yet to overturn the judgment. Mr. Saravanan, do you realize what you are saying?
I realize what I am saying. It is on the conscience of Mr. Tyagarajan, the investigating officer, who filed this.
Why are you blaming the officer? What about the conscience of your leader, Mr. Stalin?
Yes, see, that's what we have always maintained, that he was an innocent person. He purchased batteries.
Wow.
And the statement was recorded.
So someone who's convicted, someone who's convicted, you will not go by the conviction or the judicial order. You will go by your conscience, your conviction. What your leader thinks is right.
Can I just ask one question?
Sir, this is the CJP mindset, Mr. Saravanan. You should be applying for the top job there.
5-second question. Just 5 seconds. Do you know, Anand, just 10 seconds, 5 seconds. Lalu is convicted 5 times. This Rahul Gandhi, in a day 5 times, he says Lalu Mahan Yodha hai Samajik Nyay ke. And Gayatri Prajapati was convicted. Akhilesh Yadav career par bitakar unka campaigning kar rahe the. Gayatri Prajapati and convicted for what, for raping a minor girl. Faizan Kidwai, मैं अनपढ़ हूँ, मेरा बाप जल्दी मर गया, तो I did not get the privileged education like you. मैं पसमानदा हूँ, आपने गाली दी, ठीक है. आप मुझे बताइए, गायत्री प्रजापति एंड लालू प्रसाद कन्विक्टेड थे, उनको किसने हेल किया? बताइए.
अच्छा, अब आप मुझे बता दीजिए फिर आदित्यनाथ जी, जिन्होंने आदित्यनाथ.in में लिखा है कि औरतें जो हैं ओनली गुड फॉर हाउस होल्ड चोर्स, व्हेन दे एक्वायर द क्वालिटी, मेन एक्वायर द क्वालिटीज ऑफ विमेन, मेन बिकम डिवाइन, एंड व्हेन वाइस वर्सा हैपेंस, विमेन बिकम राक्षस. आप इससे अप्रूव करते हैं इस बात को कि नहीं? एडीआर की रिपोर्ट है, मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द यूपी.
Faizan bhai, you don't want to answer the question that Shehzad asked you. It's okay, because we can't go. Yes, Dr. Ranganathan.
नहीं, देखिए, नंबर 1, फैजान भाई, जैसे मैंने कहा ना, डिस्पाइट ऑल द इश्यूज दैट ही हैज प्रॉब्लम्स विद हिम, ही इज माय एल्डर ब्रदर, सो आई एम पार्शियल टू हिम. अब ये वॉट अबाउटरी कर रहे हैं. अब इसमें मैं एक स्क्रिप्चर लाऊंगा दैट हैज सैंक्शनड वाइफ बीटिंग. नाउ विल आई आस्क हिम टू कंडेम इट? तो मैं वहां जा ही नहीं रहा. मैं इनसे ये कह रहा हूं कि डिड अखिलेश यादव जी और डिंपल यादव जी कंडेम स्पेसिफिकली द लेट मुलायम सिंह जी कॉमेंट कि लड़के हैं, गलती हो जाती है? Did they or did they not? Yes and no, Faizan bhai.
Oh, no, I will respond. First of all, sir, that statement was taken out. Please, बीच में मत बोलिएगा. That statement was taken out of context, and it was some media editing happened. Still, Dimple Yadav ji and Akhilesh ji, just to clarify, they said कि भाई कोई औरत के ऊपर इस तरह की बात को हम tolerate नहीं करेंगे.
आजम
The
खान
matter
का
was
comment?
settled, sir.
आजम खान का
कोई
comment
out of
on
context नहीं है.
Jayaprada?
Faizan Kidwai, if you want me to play out, I can pull that comment out and play it.